Who is your dream customer? Is the first secret from new Russell Brunson book, Traffic Secrets. What's going on, guys? Today, I hope you're doing well. Today, I'd love to share with you this first secret from amazing book that I finally received. It took a while due to coronavirus and it was just stuck at the borders, but here it is and I'm loving it already. If you have any questions whatsoever, just leave them below this video and I will get back to you. Alright? So there is a dedication of this book just in the beginning that written by Russell, right? This book is dedicated to the entrepreneurs whom I've been called to serve, my funnel hackers. You've made it possible for me to do a work that interests me and that I feel is meaningful and worthwhile. Guys, if no matter what you do, it has to feel meaningful for you, right? If you are stuck at job, your 9-to-5 job that you hate, and you don't find any meaning in there, maybe it's time to move on, right? To find something else. Maybe, to start your own business or try to find another job. But your work will fill the huge part of your life, so you have to do something that gives your life meaning. So this final book in the Secrets trilogy was created to help you find more of the people who are waiting to hear your message. If this book helps you to reach even just one more person and change their life with your God-given gifts, and this work will have been a success. Guys, if you don't have this book yet, then I will put the link in this description. Just click it and you can get free copy. You just cover small shipping. And Russell Brunson, and it's literally just Russell Brunson is losing money on this book because, as you can see, it costed him to print almost $27. I don't know, guys, if you can see it here, $27, right? And it literally just Russell is losing money on this book. So in the US you pay just $9 and internationally it's $20. So it's literally you get this for free, and it's hardcover book. And if you are an entrepreneur, if you are looking for traffic, I haven't found anything better and more valuable than this thing. So hey guys, if you have any questions, just let me know. Hey Lee, I hope that you checked out my course yet. I hope that you found some value in there. And I hope that you had fun with your daughter. Hey Keen, how are you guys? Hey Anthony. So yeah, let's get to that secret. Who is your dream customer, right? So that's this is contents, right? This is how the contents look. And we are going to talk about in this live about this first secret. Who is your dream customer? And I will be doing these live calls daily, revealing all secrets, so make sure to jump on tomorrow as well if you want to learn these secrets of traffic, right? Hey Kim, how are you? So guys, there is also a foreword by Dean Graziosi, right? The friend of Russell. And there is little intro about expert secrets. If you have read any of Russell's book before, they are insanely valuable, all of them. So the first one was .com secrets, then expert secrets. The .com secrets was about funnels creating, expert secrets about storytelling, copywriting and stuff, and the ultimate third traffic secrets about organic and paid traffic. And the most importantly, these are tactics that are evergreen, right? Because if you almost any book out there on traffic is outdated by the time it's published, right? But these tactics will work forever, and it's because Russell Brunson was studying the traffic from the people like the best marketers who learned the power of to master traffic without Facebook, Instagram, without all these things that exist today. So you basically what's important is to learn principles, right? How it works, and that principles can be applied to whatever medium that is available to you right now, right? Because in 10 years, 15 years, there may not be Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, or the attention is always changing. So let's get to that first secret, all right? And so section 1, your dream customer, right? Who is your dream customer? And I like how Russell Brunson create this simple design, simple graphics. It's really simple, but it gets the point across, and you can understand the story, and you can remember it better and for a long time. So guys, you have to be able to identify your dream customers, right? You cannot just find whatever traffic. You have to find the people that are actually interested in whatever you have to sell in your brand, right? And you have to be obsessed not with your product and its functionality, because that's how the majority of companies fail, right? The reason why ClickFunnels is successful because they are obsessed with their customers, with their dream customers, right? And it's not just ClickFunnels. If you can see about Amazon, if you just take a look at Amazon, what will Jeff Bezos tells you, right? He's obsessed with customer experience, and he's obsessed with his customers, and that's what business is all about. Business is about customers. And there are people who will say, some features of ClickFunnels are buggy and stuff, but it's not. I'm telling you, functionality. And it can be all improved, right? It's features and everything. It's great, but what's more important is your customers. You telling them the story and in a way that they can resonate with them, right? And just make them feel like you care about them, rather than explaining the best feature on your product. That will lead you anyway. Will not lead you to successful business, right? So this is important here in this first secret, the 3 core market desires, right? So there are health, wealth, and relationships. And the secret is, if any type of product that you create it fits in one of these 3 categories, and you can market that product only by focusing on that one category. You cannot blend 2 together, because that will create confusion. And remember, confused customers never buy. So here in the book is a great example about Gillette, right? The shaving tool for men. And Russell was asking at one of his live events, so guys, what do you think the Gillette is focusing on? What is the core desire? What is their focus on their marketing campaigns? And people were really confused. Gillette, is it health, right, or what is it? And then they played the video, marketing campaign, where there was a man and he was shaving, and afterwards he met this beautiful woman that fell in love with him, and after that video, the crowd was clear, the crowd, that it's relationships, right? That's what Gillette focused on. And so they don't mix it together, right? And if they would focus on health, that would probably perform worse, So that's why they focus on relationships in their marketing efforts. And so then another secret inside this first one is all people try to move away from pain and towards pleasure, right? So your marketing your product has to either move people away from pain or towards pleasure. And remember, people will do twice as much to get away from pain than to get pleasure. So that's an important lesson right there. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, since I've got this book, I've never stopped reading. So if you haven't got your free copy yet, just click that link in the video. And yeah, if you get it through my link, you will also get awesome bonuses that will just jumpstart your journey in creating online business or brick and mortar, right? It's whatever business you would like to create. You have to have a knowledge about these things, because there is another story, right? Many people like go into college and they learn everything about their profession, right? And they come out of the college, they want to start their own business, and they have no idea how to generate traffic and bring clients to the doors, right, to their business, and then they go bankrupt and they have to get 9-to-5 job. So it's really important to create product that delivers value to the marketplace. But if you don't have a way, if you don't know how to generate traffic so people discover that product, then it's all your efforts are like just wasting time, right? And so here are some examples of people moving away from pain and towards pleasure, right? So that it's always the human brain learns best through examples. So that's why Russell is using them a lot inside his book. And you also have an exercise, like you can write it down right here, right? If that's what you want. And yeah, guys, so you have to be able to first identify your dream customers, right? You have to have an ideal avatar. Like, you have to know everything about them, right? You have to know where they live, how old they are, what do they do for a living, what show do they like, everything. The more you know about your dream customer, and you have to be able to put yourself in their shoes, and the more you know about them, the better your business will do, and the better your marketing campaigns, everything, guys. So this is where you need to start. You need to start with your dream customers. And that's the secret number one from this awesome book. So, guys, thanks for jumping in on today's lesson. If you are watching it on YouTube, then just subscribe to the channel, because I will be revealing other secrets. There are there are 20 secrets, right? So we will be revealing them all in the upcoming video. So make sure you subscribe or like this video so you will not miss out about those, because this is hugely important. And yeah, that being yes, thanks for jumping in, and I'm looking forward to see you on the next live calls, right? I will be doing this every day now to share with you one secret per day. And if you guys have any questions, just leave them below, and I will get back to you. I will get back to everyone, because I want you to have everything you need to just succeed in business and to generate traffic, and just so I can help you get started, right? And even if you're already started, this book is also for people who already have established business, so you can scale, because the principles that in this book, the lessons, no one is doing it. And that's why ClickFunnels is growing so rapidly, because their competition is not doing it. And even though it started as a small company, now it crushes its competition because of smart principles that Russell has discovered along in his journey, right? So guys, if you want this book, a free copy of this book, literally, Russell is losing money on this, and it's international, it's $20. If you are in US, it's just $10. So you pay just small shipping fee. It's not like many entrepreneurs do this trick, like it's free but you have to cover the shipping. This is literally for free, because this is hardcover, right? This is hardcover, and it literally costs to publish $27. So you literally get it for free, like tremendous amount of value. So just click that link in the description, and if you get it through my link, you will also get awesome bonuses, so you can learn about traffic secrets and click funnels super fast, so you don't have to waste your time by things that either do not work or just confuse you. All right, so thank you guys for jumping in on today's live call. If you have questions, just leave them below, and I will see you tomorrow about the same time, and I will be happy to talk to you again live. All right, so thanks, and have a good one.